YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto Jay coming at you guys with yet another Jay Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Actually, oops, before we do that, I forgot to play this. Take time, pause the video. You need to read this. Very important message, guys. Not a financial advisor. Take the time. Okay. Great. All right. So today, guys, I want to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some meme coins also. As you guys can see, Bitcoin looking a little bit funky, right? We did talk about the fact that we had some support at 67, at 66 down here as well. But look, creating this bear flag right here, not really what we want to see, guys. This is, again, this flagpole right here and this bear flag indicator that we can see things going a little bit lower. And of course, now all these people, look, 70% of people were bullish just yesterday, guys. And look how many people are posting down here. Bitcoin's going to 60K. I told you guys yesterday. You see, this guy knew it. Some people, I'm sure, it's so funny. Bitcoin, every time Bitcoin sneezes, people thinking like, oh, it's the end of everything. I mean, who knows? It's always it's speculative, right? Things right now are technically, again, we got a rising wedge right here. We're breaking down, creating a bear flag. It looks like we might see a retest, but again, been talking about the fact that we have some support at even 66K down here, so I'm not too concerned about it. It's literally like a sneeze, but it can be bad, right? It could be a situation where maybe we could see like a shoulder, head, shoulder type thing, and Bitcoin decided it wants to break down, and that would be not really good. But I don't know. You know, market's always speculative. We were hoping that we would see a bull flag play now, but on this 1 year, right? We were hoping that this would be a bull flag, but again, looking like this wedge breaking down and actually creating a bear flag over here on the 1 month. So that's something that we do want to just be paying attention to, that this can create some volatility if Bitcoin does decide that it wants to retest some lower levels. That can mean that some of these coins are going to bleed. Oh, not my mouse going crazy. Sheesh. You know, some of these other coins going crazy, like I said, like my mouse going crazy. Even some of these more larger cap coins. Seems like Solana's holding pretty good. I've been watching Solana for sure. It's not getting smacked too hard. I feel like people are kind of holding to see if we're going to hold this 66 range. It's been looking pretty decent. So, again, we were forming this wedge just on our 1 year, and we were kind of starting to see recovery with Bitcoin, hopefully. Speculatively, again, it's not financial advice. You know, 84% of people like Solana. Over here, as you guys can see, 1.3 million people following them on CoinMarketCap. So, I don't know. We'll see what's going on with Ethereum, though, right? We've been talking about Ethereum, guys, because Ethereum has been looking highly speculative, guys. This has been looking not good, and like the community is not really digging Ethereum. So you guys can see 38% of people bullish on Ethereum, 62% of people thinking that Ethereum, what's going on? Like, I don't know. What do you guys think, though? It has been creating this cup and handle pattern. Do you think that Ethereum can continue making a recovery? Can it make a recovery? I don't know. Only time will tell. We did talk about the fact that over here on this all-time chart, look, shoulder, head, shoulder, big breakdown, and the fact that this has just been rejecting these ranges, and it can lead to some downside based off of just the technicals, right? We've seen it do it kind of right here too, where it had this run up and then it dropped down. Big parabolic drop down, right? So it's seen times of volatility. Well, we see it here again. A lot of people thinking it's not looking very good for Ethereum. But what do you guys think? Definitely want to know. And then let's go check out, of course, some of these meme coins over here on dextools, which I would probably assume are getting absolutely smacked right now. And again, just want to take the time again to disclose that this is not financial advice. I do not endorse any of these projects. I'm just over here on dextools talking about what's trending today, hot trending pairs. As you guys can see, we're going to start filtering through some of these bad boys. Let's go through the Ethereum pairs, see what's trending. As you guys can see, they got some weird coins coming out. This thing was launched 5 hours ago. Already at a 6 million market cap. Probably crap. It's probably going to go down really fast. Some of these other coins too. Let's see what's going on with Maga. It's Maga coin. It's been highly speculative over here on dextools. Again, guys, not telling you to go buy this. Just kind of looking at some of these coins. I know you guys look at these coins too. So, just giving you guys kind of what I'm thinking about some of these charts. But as you guys can see, we got kind of creating somewhat of a double bottom here again, kind of correcting down with Bitcoin, hugging this couple of levels of these different Kettner channels, right? On the 3-day, we're hugging this middle level right here. We're also showing that we got some support here on the 12-day. We might have a possible double bottom, but again, can we see these election coins pick up in volume, guys? What do you guys think? I don't know. We talked about this coin way early on the channel. Oh, it's not looking good on this chart. But we did talk about this coin way early on the channel, guys, like way back here, like way back here, like 10 million, 5 million maybe, I think. It shot up to like, I don't even remember. It was insane, guys, but we watched this thing, again, go crazy. So, can we see it go crazy again? I don't really know, right? It does look like it's starting to break down over here on this 1-week chart. Let's look at some of these other coins. What do you guys think about Trump coin, though? Definitely want to know what you think about all those election coins. Let's look at MOG. This is another coin that has been really close to $1 billion. It's now trending #1 on dextools. I figure a lot of people were going to be clicking on this thing now that it was in that top 10 just now. And you guys could see this thing was already creating a nice cup and handle. It was looking like it was going to be looking pretty good. But again, things starting to break down with Bitcoin. And MOG still looking like it's still creating some higher lows, which is good. You know, definitely on sale with the rest of the market, but still hugging that upper level of that Kettner channel. Looking like a strong recovery, actually, just with this price action. As you guys could see, trending pretty good above this RSI right now, but can it hold? Only time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. Again, cryptocurrency, highly volatile. Highly volatile, boys. What do you guys think about MOG? Do you guys like MOG? It's a coin that you guys like. Ultimately, you know, you got to do your own research because, again, it's not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy this. As a matter of fact, I'm telling you not to buy any of this stuff, guys. Don't buy anything that I talk about on this channel. How about that? I'm just talking about the charts mostly, talking about the contracts, and I'm just talking about the things that are trending. That's it. So let's go check over on Solana as well. Let's see. And I do all this in real time, guys. How great is that? Do it right in real time. Some of these coins have been coins that have just been trending over and over. Again, this GOAT coin is just blowing my mind, man. It's blowing my mind. #1 again. And seeing a bunch of price action. This coin is blowing my mind. I've never been as wrong as I have been on this coin. It just keeps like going. I'm like, what? I'm like, dude, it's going to correct. I don't know. And then it's like, keeps going. Like, what's happening right here? I don't know. Again, guys, I'm not telling you what to go buy. This contract had a lot of bots in it, but it has made this pattern before, right? Where it does this and it drops and then it shoots up. So maybe that's what they're banking on, another big run up in price. I don't know. It's already at $450 million. Like, and if Bitcoin decides it wants to correct, what's going to happen to the price of this thing? I would assume it would want to correct down. But look, it's breaking up out of these counter channels over here on this 2-hour chart. We did talk about sometimes, you know, when Bitcoin decides it wants to consolidate, we see a lot of exit liquidity come into the market. So maybe that's just what we're seeing. Maybe we're just seeing a lot of people just trying to get in and out of trades and be greedy over here on dextools. Ultimately, guys, you gotta do your own research. You could monitor transactions over here. That's another thing that I think is good to do if you feel like doing that. Again, not giving you financial advice. You could also check the holders over here too. You can see only about 20% of the top holders are holding this coin. So, but again, a lot of bot transactions have went on in this trade. As you could see, you could even go to trade history, and we could just, not my mouse. Okay, hold on. We just go down here, right? And you can see there's like a ton of transactions that have gone on in this thing. So again, got to be careful on a lot of those things. But what do you guys think? What do you think for this coin? Definitely want to know. Let me know about the GOAT coin in the comments. This thing has been trending again week in and week out. But again, it could go to zero very fast, guys. All these coins on here can go to zero very fast. Extremely fast. Extremely fast. So always make sure you do your own research and don't just buy things that YouTubers say. Don't do that. Also, Madcoin is another coin that has been trending a lot. It's coming in trending at number 4 again, but it's just kind of, oh, it was doing pretty good, right? Until Bitcoin decided it wanted to start correcting down. So you could see it was doing pretty well. Interesting. I don't know. It's not looking too hot for Madcoin right now. It's definitely breaking down off of some key resistance with this Bitcoin consolidation. But we'll see. Again, not trying to fade this community. Not talking bad about Madcoin. Again, we mentioned Madcoin a couple times trending. We caught this thing trending. But again, guys, you always want to be checking audits on this stuff. You want to be plugged in, know what's going on in the community, checking these holders all the time, doing your research. And again, don't buy anything that I'm talking about at all. I'm just talking. That's it. But let me see anything else. Oh, MEMECOIN. We were talking about the fact that this bad boy was looking like it was looking good. It was definitely looking like it was starting to create some bullish activity on some of these more macro charts. And it was a coin that I was definitely paying attention to. As you guys could see, MEMECOIN looking pretty bullish right now, even on the 12-hour chart. But there was even some more macro charts that had me feeling really good about this. Yeah, this cup and handle pattern right here, right? Now we got a bull flag hopefully playing out. But hopefully this is not also a rising wedge, right? Hopefully we're not going to see a little bit of sell-off. Again, this thing has been going absolutely nuts. And it is still in the top 10, so I don't know. We'll see what can happen with a coin like that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Definitely want to know. Also, Coin is a coin that has been trending a lot over here on dextools as well. $2.5 billion market cap. This thing was like the biggest thing on Solana, but can it make some new highs? I definitely want to know also what you guys think about WIF, because it's been a while now since WIF has made some new all-time highs. As you guys can see, it's starting to now correct down, and WIF looking like it could see some serious sell-off if it does want to, again, correct down. The weekly chart not looking so hot, boys. Not looking so hot on the weekly chart. Let's see about some of these a little more micro charts, right? Let's look at, now my computer runs slow. Oh, okay, look at this. We're breaking down off of some support on the 4-hour chart. I wanted to see the 12-hour though. Okay, yeah, 12-hour chart. Maybe possible double bottom again. I don't know. Hanging on to dear life with Bitcoin, right, boys? Bitcoin market determiner for a lot of these projects, guys. Some of them will just not do well at all, guys. Some of them will just go to pieces. If every Bitcoin pump, there's going to be coins that just go to pieces, bro. Just go to pieces, bro. RIP into the crypto dust is what it is. A lot of these coins, I do feel like even these coins will not probably do well. Even these coins that we see trending, guys, just because you see coins trending in here doesn't mean they're always going to do well. I just look for coins personally that trend over and over and over, that are growing in market cap, and then I just start paying attention to those coins. And then from there, I do my research and come to my conclusion. But ultimately, guys, you know, your investment strategy, again, is yours. But look at this coin, GOAT, man. Is this going to reject off this zone and head back down, see a big correction, or is this thing going to just create some new all-time highs? I have no idea. Again, 33,000 holders holding this thing. And, wow. Interesting. Wow, what a time to be in crypto, boys. I definitely want to know what you guys are buying. Let me know in the comment section below. Let's check out base chain, see if anything's pumping right now. It doesn't look like not a thing, boys. Not a thing. We're cutting it there. Sorry, base chain. You guys are not making the gains over here. But anyway, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.